Well, and when we got into the business, we were probably about a 20% higher price. You know, so 20% higher price, but even because the productivity and the smoothness and the reduced operator fatigue, customers were happy to pay that. But as our volumes went up and as our customers have beat up Tyler, we found out we're pretty stinking competitive for the higher volume, which has been really exciting.
Absolutely.
So if you haven't considered us for bandsaw blades, that's the first product we got in. In fact, it's our #1 biggest product.
Yep.
It's something we've really changed, and we've been able to live up to sparking productivity through innovation. Then we've grown to recip blades, the pallet coat paint, circular blades. We'll get into some of those in another video.
Resaw blades, don't forget about our resaw
Okay, but
blades.
then